Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. Now, today our basic concept is regarding profit versus revenue. As a faculty, as a professor, I have an experience that students are not aware about what exactly the difference is about, what is profit and what is revenue. So today with very basic example, I'm going to clear what is profit and what is revenue over here. So exactly first we are going to take about what is revenue. Revenue is what it is earned from by the organization after the selling. That is the revenue. For example, I have written over here, if the company or if any organization sells the product worth rupees 10,000, that is your revenue. Whatever the company or the organization is earning after the selling, that is what the revenue. This is the basic concept. Now, what is the concept of profit over here? Profit is what the money left after all the expenses are deducted. Now, most of the students are also not aware that what is expenses. Expenses in the simple meaning, that is the kharcha. So profit, expenses are all the different term which is very much important thing. So here the example I have written over here, very basic example, that if you earn rupees 10,000, that if you earn rupees 10,000, what you have earned over here, and that you have spent rupees 7,000. So your profit after deduction will be rupees 3,000. So this is how the profit is being calculated. So this is what the exactly profit versus revenue is all about. Very simple. I have explained the concept because 90% student don't understand the basic concept about profit versus revenue. So in a simple language, I have explained today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.